If you're running Google Ads in 2024, you need to understand keyword match types, and into this video, we're gonna quickly explain how to do keyword research, which keyword match types to use, and how to structure them inside of a campaign. Before we jump into the different types of match types that we use in 2024, I want to explain a bit why it's important that you sooner or later try and incorporate broad match keywords into your search terms. Broad match understands people's search queries on a deeper level and can identify intent. So intent is the crucial word that I'll be using throughout the video. So for example, someone searches for furniture store, and now your ad can appear for home decor or cream colored leather sectional. So as you can see here, it's relevant to the search in terms of intent, even though the words used for the search are completely different. So you have to understand that the intent behind the broad match keyword is what drives the results. Because if we compare broad match keywords with, let's say, exact match or phrase match, so here we can see if someone searches for furniture store, they will appear for furniture store, which is the same, or home furnishing store, which is kinda exact but not that much. It used to be more exact in the past. And phrase match is usually including at least one keyword, but in this case, not even one. So what match types should I use? So if your account is new, I recommend mostly exact and phrase match. If you're getting at least 30 conversions a month, then I recommend 3 to 5 long-tail broad match keywords. So what's a long-tail broad match keyword? That includes at least 3 words per query. Make sure to not use less than 3. Plus add around 10 exact match keywords. So in the beginning, you kind of have to add them from your research. And later, when the ads are actually converting, you will see which keywords you want to add as targeting options from search terms and which keywords you want to remove from targeting by adding them into a negative keyword list. Here we're in our keyword planner tool. To access it, go to tools, keyword planner, and here we have to start with some idea that we're selling. So let's say we're selling men's joggers or sweatpants, if you will. We would click get results. And then what I like to do is sort by monthly searches descending. I always like to go after bigger volume keywords than lower. So higher volume than lower. So we first need 3 long tail keywords, so this is a good starting point. Men's jogger pants. We're gonna put it here as our initial keyword, and then we're gonna speed up the process a bit. So we have our first initial broad match keywords, so men's jogger pants, best jogger for men, and men's athletic pants. And now we just need the exact match keywords. So the exact match keywords do not have to be long tail. They have to be relevant, and ideally they help by pushing the whole targeting into the right direction. And the broad match long tail keywords act as the main foundation for the targeting, and then the exact match keywords help with kind of small navigational tweaks to get the campaign into the right direction. Again, I'm going to go back into my keyword research tool and find 10 additional exact match keywords that are relevant to our overall intent of the campaign. So here I found another 8 exact match keywords, and here bolded you can see some words that have not been used yet in our keyword so far, and these will be exact match keywords and these will be broad match keywords. So what I like to do is find keywords that have words that are relevant to the product that we're selling. If your joggers are not meant for workouts or if they're not khaki colored, then of course they don't make sense for this group of keywords. But I like to use the exact match keywords for the specifics that I'm actually selling on the other side. And when you create your ads, you will increase the relevancy by using, you'll be targeting all of these keywords in the ad group, but then these specifics here will help increase the relevancy between the targeting and the ad content, because we're going to use these words inside of our ad, and sweatpants and men's repeats itself a lot of times, and these exact match keywords will help us add the specifics of the product we're selling. So this is all for today. Hopefully this was valuable. Make sure to like and subscribe and share if you found value in this video. So thank you.